Welcome to this lecture, recap of section 2. In this section, the main emphasis was on elaborating the shortcomings of SWOT analysis as a diagnostic tool, and also informing you about its inability to form a strategy with a problem-solving and diagnostic approach. I have pointed out some of the things which Mr. J. Abraham noticed, and I explained them from the perspective of my own experience. If J. Abraham's approach was not great, he won't be an authority in this area. But I had to explain to you what SWOT analysis lacks and what happens when we start with elaboration and description first and try to find what we shall do afterwards. In other words, I wanted you to learn that when the description of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats acts as a precursor to strategy formulation or the plan of action, the blind spots are created. And it is seen repeatedly that not only that, even during SWOT analysis, the opportunities and strengths get overly emphasized while many threats and weaknesses are neglected or overlooked. Due to this, I firmly believe that when you understand these very important points, they will serve you well during your career. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed to the third section.